हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका एनवी टाइम्स पर। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन। इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि हाउ टू रजिस्टर फॉर जीएसटी थ्रू ऑनलाइन पोर्टल। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर, और कंप्लीट प्रोसेस जानने के लिए इस वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिएगा। तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन की। GST registration process is online based and must be carried out on the government website, i.e. gst.gov.in. Every dealer whose annual turnover exceed rupees 20 lakh, rupees 40 lakh or rupees 10 lakh, as may vary depending upon state and kind of supplies, has to be registered for GST. GST से रिलेटेड कुछ अपडेट्स हैं। तो लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स ऑन GST रजिस्ट्रेशन। फर्स्ट जो अपडेट आया है वो 21 ऑफ दिसंबर 2021। फ्रॉम 1 जनवरी 2022 CBIC मेड द आधार ऑथेंटिकेशन मैंडेटरी टू अप्लाई फॉर रिवोकेशन ऑफ कैंसल्ड GST रजिस्ट्रेशन अंडर द CGST रूल 23 इन रजिस्टर्स टू 21। सेकेंड जो अपडेट आया है वो 29 ऑफ अगस्त 2021 को आया है। टैक्स पेयर्स कैन get extended time up to 30th September 2021 to revoke cancelled GST registration if the last date for the same falls between 1st of March 2020 and 31st of August 2021. It applies if the GST registration is cancelled under section 29 of 2 clause B or clause C of the CGST Act via CGST notification number 34/2021 dated 29th August 2021। थर्ड जो अपडेट आया वो 20 मई 2021 को आया। ड्यू डेट टू फाइल एप्लीकेशन फॉर रिवोकेशन ऑफ कैंसिलेशन ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉलिंग बिटवीन 15th of April 2021 up to 29th June 2021 is 30th of June 2021। फोर्थ जो अपडेट आया वो 1 मई 2021 को आया। द टाइम लिमिट टू टेक एक्शंस, रिप्लाई और पास ऑर्डर्स इज गिवन अंडर रूल 9 ऑफ द CGST रूल 2017 दैट फॉल्स बिटवीन 1 मई 2021 एंड 31 मई 2021 हैज़ बीन एक्सटेंडेड अप टू द 15th जून 2021। अगला जो अपडेट आया वो 5 मार्च 2021 को आया। द सर्च ARN functionality for registration post TRN login has been enhanced for the taxpayers। अब जो ऑनलाइन पोर्टल के ऊपर जो हमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है उसकी कुछ स्टेप्स हैं। तो हम उसके दो पार्ट हैं, पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी। तो हम पहले पार्ट ए का प्रोसेस शुरू करेंगे। स्टेप टू फिल अ पार्ट ए ऑफ GST रजिस्ट्रेशन एप्लीकेशन। स्टेप 1, go to GST portal, click on services, then click on registration tab and thereafter select new registration। आप इस स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन एक ऑप्शन आ रहा है, वहाँ हमें क्लिक करना है। स्टेप 2 रहेगा एंटर द फॉलोइंग डिटेल्स इन पार्ट ए। सेलेक्ट न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन रेडियो बटन and then next in the drop down under IMA select taxpayer, select state and district from the drop down, enter the name of business and PAN of the business, key in the email address and mobile number। Please note that you don't have to enter your email ID and mobile number if your contact details are linked with PAN। नेक्स्ट स्टेप है you will receive OTPs on the registered email ID and mobile number on PAN linked contact details as the case may be, and then click on proceed। आप ये स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं, इसमें डिटेल्स फिल करने के बाद आपको प्रोसीड पर क्लिक करना है। स्टेप 3 रहेगा एंटर द 2 OTPs रिसीव्ड ऑन द ईमेल एंड मोबाइल और द PAN linked contact details। Click on continue if you have not received the OTP, click on resend OTP। आपके पास अगेन OTP रिसीव होंगे और ईमेल और मोबाइल के OTPs यहाँ आपको एंटर करके कंटिन्यू पर क्लिक करना है। स्टेप 4, you will receive the 15 digit temporary reference number, it's called TRN। Now This will also be sent to your email and mobile or PAN linked contact details. Note down the TRN you need to complete filling the part B details within the next 15 days. आपको 15 days के अंदर पार्ट बी को फिल करना है। इस स्क्रीन के जरिए आप देख रहे हैं कि प्रोसीड पर क्लिक करेंगे। Step 5. Once again go to the GST portal, select the new registration tab. Step 6 है select the temporary reference number TRN, enter the TRN and the CAPTCHA code and click on proceed. Step 7 है you will receive an OTP on the registered mobile and email or PAN linked contact details. Enter the OTP and click on proceed. Step 8, you will see that the status of the application is shown as drafts. Click on edit icon. Steps to fill part B of GST registration application. पार्ट बी हमें शुरू करना है जिसका स्टेप 9 है। पार्ट बी हैज़ 10 sections. Fill in all the details and submit appropriate documents. The Aadhaar authentication section was added and the bank account section was made non-mandatory in 2020. List of documents you need to keep handy. Here is the list of documents you need to keep handy while applying for GST registration. Photographs, constitution of the taxpayer, proof for the place of business, bank account details, verification and Aadhaar authentication if chosen. Bank account details are non-mandatory at the time of GST registration since 27th of December 2018. Step 10. Under the business details section, enter the trade name, business constitution and district. यहाँ आप नोट करिए, trade name is completely different from the legal name of the business. Moving on, select yes/no to opt in or opt out the composition scheme against the filled option for composition. Further, choose the type of registered person as manufacturer or service providers of work, contract or any other person eligible for composition scheme. Next up, enter the date of commencement of business and date from which liability arise. Also select yes or no for the type of registration as a casual taxable person, and if yes is chosen, then generate the challan by entering the details for advance tax payment as per the GST law for casual taxable persons. Further, under the region to obtain registration, select the region as input service distributor if that is the case at this stage. Alternatively, many other options are available to choose from. आप इस स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं कि जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो अवेलेबल है, वो आप चूज कर सकते हैं। Based on the selection made, enter the details in the field that appear. For example, if you select sales unit, then enter the name of the sales, designation of approving authority, approval order number etc, and upload the supporting documents. In the indicate existing registrations section, choose the type of existing registration such as central sales tax, excise for service tax, registration number and date of registration. Thereafter, click the add button. Below screenshot shows the field discussed as above. Once the details are entered, you notice that the tile turns blue in color, indicating the completion of filing up details in that section. Step 11. Under the promoters/partners tab, you may enter the details of up to 10 promoters or partners. Personal details such as name, address, mobile number, date of birth, email address, and gender, and identity details such as designation, oblique status, and director identification number. If the taxpayer is a company, whether or not an Indian citizen, PAN and Aadhaar numbers must all be entered. Fill in the residential address and upload a photograph of the stakeholder. You are allowed to upload PDF or JPEG files with maximum file size for upload of 1 MB. If the promoter is also the primary authorized signatory, then make the necessary selection. Click on the Save and Continue button to proceed. आप ये स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं जिस पे ये डिटेल्स आपको फिल करनी है. सेव एंड कंटिन्यू बटन पे आपको क्लिक करना है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप 12. Enter the details of the authorized signatory similar to the details entered for promoters oblique partners in step 10. In case of GST practitioner, enter the enrollment ID, and in case of authorized representative, enter the basic details as asked. Step 13. Enter principal place of business details. The taxpayer's principal place of business is the primary location within the state where he or she conducts business. The principal place of business is usually the address where the company's book of accounts and documents are stored, as well as where the company's president or top management is based. Report the address, district, sector, circle ward, charge, unit, commissionerate code, division code, and range code. Also enter the official contact number of taxpayer and nature of possession of premises as rented or owned or shared, etc. Next up, upload supporting documents including consent letter or NOC for business on premises rented out, and upload the proof of says unit oblique says developer approval for the premises if applicable. Also checkmark the nature of business activities in the premises and add any additional places of business. Click on the Save and Continue button. Here you are notes. To know jurisdiction, follow the link. आप इस लिंक के जरिए इस लिंक को फॉलो करके आप आपके जुरिडिक्शन को चेक कर सकते हैं, जिसका अलग से सेपरेट वीडियो आप अवेलेबल होगा. उसका लिंक आपके नीचे दिया हुआ है. इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन एज द IRP फॉर अंडरटेकिंग CIRP ऑफ द टैक्स पेयर company, then provide details of original registration of the taxpayer known as the corporate debtor. For multiple document upload, append all documents as a single file and upload it. The maximum file size is 1 MB and format allowed in either PDF or JPG, and maximum of 2 files can be submitted. आप ये स्क्रीन्स देख रहे हैं जो आगे का प्रोसेस है. स्टेप 14. Submit details of goods and services in the next step along with the HSN codes or SAC for up to a maximum of 5 goods and 5 services on the top of your list. The following screen appears for a composition scheme taxpayer. Step 15. Next, enter the bank details of the taxpayer for up to 10 bank accounts. Submission of bank accounts details has been made optional from 27th of December 2018. If you do not report these details at the time of GST registration, then after GSTIN is generated, you will get a prompt upon logging in for the first time on the GST portal to file a non-core amendment application to submit the bank details. Also upload supporting documents together with the details. Step 16. Under the State Specific Information tab, enter the professional tax employee code number, PT registration certificate number and state excise license number with the name holding the license. Click on save and continue. Step 17. Next, choose whether or not you are willing to do Aadhaar authentication. Note that if the authorized signatory choose to go for Aadhaar authentication, then physical verification of premise or site will not be required to be done by the officer, except in specific cases. In such cases, the ARN will be generated right after that is complete. Step 18. Once all the details are filled in, go to the verification page, click on the declaration and submit the application using any of the following ways. There are three ways. Companies and LLPs must submit application using DSC. Second, using e-sign, OTP will be sent to Aadhaar registered mobile. And third option is using EVC, OTP will send to the registered mobile. Step 19. A message is displayed on successful application and application reference number ARN is sent to registered email and mobile. You can check the ARN status for your registration by entering the ARN GST portal. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.